Today we are going to discuss surface areas and volume in section C. So before continuing this sum, subscribe this channel, click the bell button. So let us continue. So this is the water tank, this is the pipe. So let us write the given particulars: pipe and tank. Pipe, it is given speed equal to 7 meter per second. Speed is 7 meter per second. Circular pipe whose inner diameter of the pipe is equal to 2 centimeter into a cylindrical tank. Tank radius of the base equal to 40 centimeter. Now time is equal to half an hour. Half an hour through this pipe, water is flowing into the cylindrical tank. That means what is the height of the, determine the increase in water level in half an hour. Increase in water level. Say for example, let us assume this is the initial level of water. Now after running the pipe, running the water through the pipe for half an hour, now water level increases up to this height. If it is like that, what is the increase in water level? So we no need to bother about the initial level of water. Initial level of water, I mean initial height of the water in the tank. This is the initial level, half an hour water running through the pipe. Then what is the increase in water level in the tank? So only this height we need to find. So let us proceed. See, volume of water flowing through the pipe in half an hour, which is equal to increased volume in the tank. This increased volume in the tank. Now this increased volume, that is also in the shape of cylinder, no? So that is equal to pi r square h. Now you have to imagine the full pipe, full length of the pipe in the shape of a cylinder. So half an hour volume, half an hour running water running through the pipe. That volume, that is also in the shape of a cylinder, because the carrying pipe in the shape of a cylinder. Pipe is in the shape of a cylinder. So volume of the pipe, which carry for half an hour, that volume of water is equal to this volume. So let us write, this is R1 to show the difference of two radii. So this is R2. R2 equal to 1 centimeter, because diameter 2 means radius half of it. So I will take it R2. Now height. So height means, here height means the speed of water, that length only it is called the speed of water, 7 meter per second. Now here it is given in meter, the other units are centimeters. Let us convert this meter to centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters, so 700 centimeter. It is per 1 centimeter. That means 700 centimeter of water flowing through the pipe in 1 second. 700 centimeter of water flowing through the pipe in 1 second. So but we need the same quantity for half an hour. So we know that for 1 hour, 1 hour equal to 3600 seconds. For half an hour equal to 1800 seconds. So for half an hour h is equal to, this is for 1 hour. So for half an hour is equal to 1800 into 700 centimeter. That is the height. So this much height of water in this cylindrical pipe flowing through the tank in half an hour. So that height value, let us substitute this. See, R value, it is R2, that is 1 square, into height, that is this value. This height, that is our required height. That height only, it is required height. Now let us find this h. I'll keep the h this side. These three things I'll bring it to this side. 1 square is 1. So let us write the remaining values. Height is equal to 112.5 into 7. .5 centimeter. So let us convert this into meter. So meter means divide by 100. Again it will go 2 decimal place conversion. So 7.875 meter. So this is the final answer. This you can expect in 3 marks.